Hey guys, welcome to Concept. This is chapter 2 of my channel series Untold Legends. Did you know which city in Asia has the first electric streetlights, or which is the first state to enfranchise women? We will seek answers to many of these questions in this video, and will also learn about the man behind all these achievements. He is Maharaja Sri Nalwadi Krishnaraja Wadiyar IV, who shown the world how and what a single man can do for the society with his vision. Born on 4th June 1884 in Mysore Palace, he was the 24th Maharaja of the Kingdom of Mysore from 1894 until his death in 1940, with a legacy of 39 years. After the death of his father Maharaja Charma Rajendra Wadiyar X, on 28 December 1894, Krishnaraja Wadiyar, a still boy of 11, ascended the throne on 1st Feb 1895. During his reign of 39 years, Maharaja worked towards elevating poverty and improving rural reconstruction, public health, industry, economic regeneration, education, and the fine arts. Gandhiji once referred him as Raja Rishi, the saintly king. Guys, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel, like, share and comment. Maharaja was the pioneer in many things, like he was the first to criminalize untouchability and child marriage. Enfranchise of women, that is, women's right to vote. Long before women in America and other parts of the world were allowed to vote, they were given the right to do so in Mysore state. Lord John Sankey declared in 1930 at the Round Table Conference in London, that is, Mysore is the best administrated state in the world. During his reign, Bengaluru became the first Asian city to get electric streetlights in 1905. And also, Maharaja started Asia's first hydroelectricity project at Sivana Samudra Falls in 1902. He established Minto Eye Hospital in the year 1903, and it is presently one of the oldest eye hospitals. Started in the year 1917 by the Maharaja, the iconic soap brand and only soap brand in the world which produces soap from 100% pure sandalwood oil, that is Mysore Sandal Soaps, which has a history over a century. Mysore Paints and Varnish Limited, established in the year 1937, is the only company which is authorized to provide election ink to all over India. Maharaja established Mysore Medical College in the year 1924. Maharaja was very fond of music and arts. He was used to play 8 musical instruments like flute, sitar, violin, piano, veena, etc. He donated 370 acres of land and co-founded the India's premier institution, that is Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Maharaja laid the foundation stone for Hindustan Aeronautics Limited in the year 1940. State Bank of Mysore was established in the year 1913. Maharaja was the first to establish a legislative council in the year 1907 with a view to associate certain number of non-official persons with experience to assist the government in making laws and regulations. He made primary education compulsory for everyone, and in the year 1915, public schools were directed to begin admitting Dalit children in an effort to give up caste discrimination. In an obituary, the Times magazine called him a ruling prince second to none in esteem and affection, inspired by both his impressive administration and his attractive personality. During Maharaja's reign, Sir M. Visvesvaraya served as his Diwan or Prime Minister from 1912 to 1919 for the Mysore state. Karnataka's first dam, Vani Vilasa Sagara Chitradurga Dam, completed in the year 1907 during his reign. Maharaja Sri Krishna Raja Wadiyar IV was the first Chancellor of Banaras Hindu University and the University of Mysore. He established many institutions during his rule, like one of its kind, Mysore Boy Scouts in the year 1909, Mysore Agricultural Residential School, Wood Distillation Factory in the year 1918, and also Mysore Chamber of Commerce in the year 1916. During his rule of 39 years, Maharaja established over 40 organizations in various areas like educational institutions, hospitals, industries, and community organizations. At the time of his death, he was one of the world's wealthiest men, with a personal fortune estimated in 1940 to be worth $400 million. Do subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get latest notification on upcoming videos. Jai Hind.